Hey everyone, welcome back to Built by a Geek. I'm in the shop tonight watching the second game of the Stanley Cup Finals. Go Habs go. I can't believe I just said that. I figured I'd work on the Fiesta a little bit. I'm going to install some parts, remove some parts, and see if the dash lights up. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to reinstall the center console here. There's a hole there, so I'm assuming that goes in here. Like that. There you go. Okay. And this is going to get tricky with one hand, but there's two connectors here. One. So that, oh, it's dark in here. Sorry guys, but it's late. Ah, there you go. Snap. Look at that. That's much better. I just need my shifter, which, wow, this short shifter is it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think isn't that's okay, gotcha. Okay, cool. That's done. Let's put a battery in. All right, let's see if we have some lights. Oh, I see a light in the back there. Oh, yes. Ugh. So 71,000 kilometers, that's roughly what, 44,000 miles. I don't have to put the key. This is just a how do I get the accessories on? Is there a key on here? There's no key. There's a light on in the back. How did I got nothing. I got the screen there for a second. Oh, maybe the key's dead. Maybe the battery is dead because it's not locking. Yeah, it's not locking at all. So, oh, we got activity here. Okay, just a blank screen, but I have lights, so that's good. That's good. So I'm assuming it's just the dead battery. So let's see if I have one of these batteries. Oh, look at that. So he was a fan of McDonald's. What do I have here? Skull Candy gift card, $20. Expires November 30th. What's this? Sandwich. November 30th. I'm done. I can't use these. Cheeseburger. November 30th, 2020. So the key fob takes a CR 2025. I don't have one, but I have a CR 2032, which is essentially the same battery, just thicker. So I'm hoping it'll work. It looks like it'll fit. It's tough to do with one hand, but nope. Sweet. It fits. All right, back together. Woo! That worked. All right, let's go see on the inside. January 2010. All right, so we got some lights. I'm assuming that's oil, check engine. Yeah, I get it. Okay. Let's close the door. There's some gas in there. Whole bunch of lights. HVAC works. Oh, I got some radio. Hazards. Lock and lock. Heated seats don't work. I don't know if I should try starting it. Is there a manual? I didn't even check there's a manual. Where's the... Oh, no. No manual. Well. Alright, we got power. That's great. I'm just very tempted to turn it over and see if it'll start, but obviously there's a lot of parts missing. I don't even know, without the mass airflow, would it even start? I have it there though. All right, let's try this. Woo! It runs. Man, that exhaust was loud. I mean, it had a really nice sound to it, but is this stock? There's no muffler. Where's the muffler? So there it is, first startup, and this thing sounded great. There's a muffler delete on it, which was a surprise. I didn't notice that when I was looking or inspecting the car. It sounds amazing. So I'm not gonna start this again until I get some parts on here. I'm still on the fence about upgrading like the radiator and the hood and the cold air intake. I need to do some research, figure out pricing, and go from there. So that's where I'm gonna end it today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.